You can create a quick and easy candle display by taking a glass jar, filling it with glass gems. You'll put a flameless candle in, and you'll do it so that it covers the flameless candle, like I did on this side, so that all you'll see is the light through the glass gems. And this is nothing but a packing tape roll that is covered with glass gems. To fill up the part that would normally be visible, you'll put some wrapping paper inside, and then you'll take some hot glue so that the edges are covered and you won't see the edge of the tape roll. And once that cools off, you could either put something like glitter or confetti to cover it up, but the hot glue does the job. And then you're set. And by putting the hot glue on, it keeps it from turning around or slipping off. So it makes it far more secure. Do you see how that snapped into place? So it won't keep spinning around because the hot glue secures it to the jar. Now, if you don't want the glass gems, you could leave it empty. You could also put glass gems on the outside. So if you want, you could leave the jar empty and put something else in the jar. You could, of course, detach it. I put the glass gems on top so that the light will come through from the top. You could also use an actual candle because it's a lot safer because you'll have the glass gems. But I prefer to use these flameless candles. And if you're going to be careful if you use an actual candle, because you still have this cardboard and the wrapping paper. So I would recommend putting the whole thing with glass gems and then putting an actual candle on top. So you could put one of those pillar candles on top. But again, whenever you're using an actual candle, please use caution. You could also cover this entire thing with glass gems so that it closes it in. And then you would just separate it. What I like about this is that if you don't want the glass at the bottom, since I hot glued it, it's already sticking to it. What you would do is, if you don't want to have it attached to the jar, I created another one where it's open at the top. You can make a lid for it by just attaching the glass gems to each other, or you could attach it to the jar. But you see how secure it is. In that quick moment, the glue dried and it made it more secure, which is a good idea if you're going to have it on a table where people are talking and maybe lifting it up. You want it to be secure. You could also flip it over like this and then put it on top of a candle. And because you have different colors, you'll be able to turn it to match your decor. So maybe you'll want the decor to match this way, maybe you'll want it to match this way, or maybe you'll just go with something like this. So please like this video and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.